Hey MJ, what's this?
Rice.
Did we already make rice?
Yeah.
So guess what we're gonna do? Make more rice! Are you ready?
Yep, and it's sushi rice.
Let's do it!
Jackie.
Welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
MJ Mom.
And who is this?
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs, the bunny that mommy lovingly crocheted. As MJ mentioned, today we are going to make sushi rice, which means to make sushi rice you need to purchase sushi rice. Don't use long grain rice, don't use brown rice, don't use jasmine rice. We need sushi rice. It's a glutinous short grain rice that's very specific, so make sure you buy the right stuff. Let's see how we are going to make it together.
Love you.
Alright gang, ingredients time. You'll need 2 cups of sushi rice, 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt to make sushi rice.
Alright, so today we're going to cook in an Instant Pot because we only have one burner and I can't cook rice and do a second part, which you'll see in a minute, with only one burner. So the first thing we need to do is rinse the living dickens out of our rice. So MJ, go ahead and dump it in there, and then we're going to go over to the sink and we're going to rinse it until there is nothing coming out, which will probably take 5 or 6 rinses. Let's do it.
As mentioned, rinse that rice. We want the water to be clear, so keep rinsing until it is. You can see this water's pretty kind of milky looking. We want to rinse all of that starch off of the rice because that's what's going to allow it to be sticky. So again, as I said, 5 to 6 times, maybe more depending on your rice. Next, we're going to stick our rice into the Instant Pot with our water. And my lovely assistant MJ is going to do a nice job getting all the water in there. Make sure that the lid is sealed, make sure that everything is set, and we're going to hit the rice setting for 12 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to add the rice wine vinegar, the sugar, and the salt into a small saucepan, and we're going to turn on very low heat. We don't want this to boil, we just want it to all get warm enough so that the rice wine vinegar absorbs all of that salt and sugar, which MJ is doing a nice job stirring. It should take no more than 4 to 5 minutes, hopefully. Once your rice is all done, go ahead, pop that lid after it's naturally vented. If you're using Instant Pot, we're gonna put about half of the liquid that you just made into there, and we're gonna go ahead and fluff the rice. While doing that, we're going to get all of that nice rice wine vinegar, sugar, and salt mixture on our rice to flavor it.
Okay gang, taste test time. Let's see what we think. We got our sushi rice. Did you try any yet, MJ? What do you think? Tastes like rice. The exciting part is for our video next week, we're going to be doing sushi, so we'll get to use this and add it to some ingredients to make it taste even better. Signing off for this week, cooking sushi rice with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
MJ.
If you like our videos, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. You know how to do all that jazz, and we'll see ya next time.
How did that cook?